Hello, my name is John In Hu. My major is business administration. I will introduce my home away from home, Jeju Island. My home away from home means in Korean 제2의 고향. I'm from Busan, but many students are from Busan. So I decided to introduce another city. Jeju Island is one of the best tourist spots in the world. I will introduce the pride of Jeju Island. First, I will introduce the strange lord. The name is the Lord of the Mystery. Second, I will introduce a special product in Jeju Island. The name is tangerine. So, have you ever visited the Lord of the Mystery? This lord is located in Nohyeongdong, Jeju-do. The road number is 1100. This road is an uphill road, but if you turn off your car's ignition on the road, your car will go up. It is exciting experience. Second, you walk around and you must be thirsty. Just then look around. If you look anywhere, there are tangerines. Look at the picture. There are tangerines next to the road. Eat them. If you are not catched by owner, it's okay. In conclusion, first, the Lord of the Mystery. Actually, it is an optical illusion. Although you knew this fact, if you experience it directly, I'm sure that you will be amazed. And second, tangerine. I'm sure that tangerine that you eat in Jeju Island will be the best taste. If you come to Jeju Island, also you will see many girls, stunned, wind. It is a symbol of Jeju Island. Come to Jeju Island and I want to have good time. Thank you.